Solve using the elimination method. 4y plus 2x equals 18, 3x plus 6y equals 26. To use the elimination method, we need to make the coefficients of either the x's or y's the same with opposite sign. But first, let's note two things here. First, y is first and x is second, so let's reverse those. But also notice that we can divide both sides by 2, simplifying this equation to x plus 2y equals 9. Now, when we compare them, if we wanted to make the coefficients of x the same with opposite sign, we could multiply this first equation by -3 on both sides. Writing it below here, we would have -3x minus 6y equals -27. Now add the two equations together. 3x minus 3x is 0. But also 6y minus 6y is 0. And 26 minus 27 is -1. Well, of course, 0 does not equal -1. That is false. And that means we have an inconsistent system. That means there is no solution. Graphically, remember that means that these two equations lead to graphs of lines that are parallel.